I get money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? So D back with another video. So today I got a little toy. You know what I mean? Just a, you know what I mean? Little bit, little thing, little something, something. Little baby shark. That says activates in the water. So I want to see what this looks like. And maybe you might get it for your child or so on. You might see it. A couple of dollars, kind of cute. So I just want to share it with y'all. Seen it in Target. It's like, oh, yeah. Baby shark's popping right now. Let's see what it look like. Let's see if it really works in the tub. Alright, so quick unboxing. You know what I mean? Let's get up in here, take it apart. I have the power of Grayskull! Alright. Yeah, my little He-Man strap came out real quick. Let's demolish this box real quick. Little tab, little safety tab, so you know, if you plan to, you know, try to get it for a discount, just remember these tags at the bottom. Oh snap! And it sings? Hold up. Oh, that's pretty dope. So it has two connections here. Basically, it's looking for a small circuit connection, which water would be a conductor to do. So that's pretty dope. That's why it works in the water. But putting both of my fingers on it, that's pretty dope. That is pretty dope. I like that. Alright. So battery compartment here, no on and off switch. So that, let me see something. Nope. Let's see if one of these drives can activate it. So I'm gonna take one of my drives. Okay. So you gotta be careful about this thing being in a toy box because of metal contacts with it. Basically, it's gonna conduct it. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this. You know what I mean? Now let's get some action in the water, you heard? Be right back.
Alright, here we are. About to send them in before the little one comes. Oh, that shit really worked though, guys. Oh, that shit is official. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's so nice. And it's singing a song as it's doing it too. Alright, turn around. Go ahead, mommy shark. Alright, y'all. You know me, I know I'm bugged out. I know I have a lot of profanity, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? But this is for adults, entertainment only. I'm old. With things like this, growing up, being able to play in the bathtub was a big deal back in my days. So I try to share with my children. Alright, y'all take it easy. It's OD. And I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.